what's going on, guys? Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of a AM FM digital car stereo with a Bluetooth. It's by Dual. It's the XDM17BT model. It comes with the USB input, play MP3s, come with the auxiliary jack in the front. And I already said it got the USB input in the front. So you got an app plug smart remote app. It's 200 watts. It doesn't have a CD player, but it played. I mean, you can use your USB drive. You can plug up your MP3 player, your iPod, and it basically plays the AM FM stereo. Because let's face it, CDs are basically obsolete. And it say you got the voice activation button to activate Siri or the Google Assistants or your phone. And that's a picture of it installed in a vehicle. And I got this from Walmart. I bought it a while back, just haven't had a chance to do a unboxing or a review on it. I believe it was around Christmas time. It was like 14 or 15 bucks. They was real cheap. So I was like, man, let me just grab one of these, you know. Because sometimes I buy and sell cars. Like if somebody that I know or I run across a car like $500, somebody can make a quick flip, I'll try to like keep remote starters around and little CD players and stuff like this, or alarm system. So when I put this on it boosts up the value. It's just an easy sell. Because believe it or not, though, some people, they see like a stereo in a car and they have the remote starter. You know, I mean, you can add it could be the difference of $300 or $400 on a car. I mean, I know some people don't care about it, but if you can find something this cheap that'll boost up the value of a vehicle when you sell it, I mean, why not? 15 bucks, you know, and there's a Bluetooth, it do everything. So, I mean, that's cheap. I mean, I know it's not the best brand in the world, but hey, you know, and this all the features that it has right here. Most of them I went over. You know, got the preset EQ and all that stuff. Got the RCAs, jacks, and stuff in the back. Like if you want to run amplifier to the system, to some subwoofers, or to the interior speakers, it has that too. You know, all the stuff on the back. Music streaming. I mean, the only downside to it, if you get one of these, I would get an alarm system, or if you park your car in the garage or stuff like that. It doesn't have a removable face for security. Like most CD players or media players, Bluetooth players these days come with a detachable face for security. You know, because basically, don't nobody want no radio without the face. I mean, the face is the most important part. So somebody look in your car and it doesn't have the face, they move on. But this is a fixed face. You can't take it off. But, I mean, to me, it's not a deal breaker. But, hey. All right, let's open it up and see what we got. It's kind of small, too. But that's not bad, though. If it's like, as long as it do the job. Come with a plug. You know, in one of my future videos, I want to do like a system, either with Dual or Boss, you know, something like a cheaper brand. I want to go all out just to show people, you know, it's not about how cheap the stuff is. It's about how you install it and you still can get a good sound. See, people want to get the stuff. They don't want to adjust it right. They want to blast and turn it all the way up. And I actually did a few vehicles. I wish I would have recorded of cheap system. I'm talking about from the speakers on up to the radio, to the subwoofers, amplifiers, everything. And the point, I mean, honestly, when I buy my stuff, I try to buy a decent brand, a good brand. But I did those vehicles just to show people that, you know, and then you pull up, people, oh my God, that sounds good. What's that? And then when I show them, they can't believe it because they done spent thousands of dollars on a expensive system, and mine sounded way better. They said they wish they had my system, and I was probably spending under $500. But it's all about how you hook it up, take care of it, adjust it. You know, you got to know what you're doing, basically. But anyway, that's going to be in a future video, a project of mine. Yeah, I might want to hit that notification bell. You maybe can follow that in the future. All right, this is the manual, which I hardly ever use these. For some reason, I figure out how to set the clock, the thing on my own. I just like tinkering with stuff, and reading the manual, it's not for me. I mean, even though I can read a little bit, but, you know, this is the harness. Come with the keys to the radio. In case you need to, like, you put it in there, you need to take it back out, or you want to sell it or just remove it or having problems. You got to come with a fuse. Right, basically that's it right there. And it should be real simple. It looked like it's broke. It looked like it's a half a radio. You too much don't see these. Something like this. I mean, that's why they were able to sell it for 15 bucks. But I mean, if you can cut corners and you can still get the sound quality, I say why not go for it. Let's take this out of the wrapper, plastic, whatever you want to call it. Look at this, man. This thing look like a half a radio. Look at that. So you put the plug at RCA's antenna. Yeah. I mean, it don't look bad. Don't look bad. Feel good. Even though it's half a weight, it still feel like a nice, decent weight. Yeah. Bluetooth, everything is on the box. That's what it said. Am I gonna put this in something? Maybe. Got the little mic for the Bluetooth. And just like I said on my previous videos, when they're dealing with these, like on my truck, for instance, I got my mic as external, and I run it up on the windshield. I like those mics better because it's clearer to me. The mics that's built in can be a little distorted, depending on the brand. It all depends. I haven't tried this one, but I have known for certain ones to be a little bit distorted, or you got to kind of like talking to the mic when you're talking. But with the ones on the windshield, the external mic, I like those better. But I mean, for 15 bucks, you cannot complain. No way, no how. It's no complaining for that price. You know, 'cause you got some of these people, they spend $15. You got some of these things cost $200, $300, $400, but you got somebody spend $15 and expect it to do everything that the other one do. I mean, come on, man. You know that going in. When you pay that much, you're getting a deal. So it's some stuff you're just gonna have to deal with, you know. But overall, that's the unboxing of this video. Let me get the it's the dual XDM17BT AM/FM digital car stereo, Bluetooth and media player. And basically you can find this at Walmart, but I'm pretty sure they got it on Amazon, eBay, you know. And like I said, if it's not loud enough for you, I mean, later on down the line, you can probably add an amplifier, because they say amplifiers too, and boost up your interior speakers, change your exterior speakers, add an amplifier, you know, add a subwoofer or whatever. But that's what these RCA's on the back for. You can add a subwoofer, but then you got to get a power wire kit and stuff like that. But no, that's that. So yeah, if you guys are looking for this, you can find it at Walmart, Amazon, eBay. I prefer going on Walmart or Walmart site and get it. You might still can find them on there for this cheap, 16 bucks, under 20, definitely. So that's the end of this video, guys. We're gonna wrap this up. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, share this video. And if you like this content, you like these unboxing videos and other videos on my channel, don't forget to hit that notification button. And I'll catch you guys on the next video. Later. I'm out.
Perfect.